Welcome to the Ross University School of Medicine live stream. Dr. Roberto Swazo, 2015 graduate of Ross University School of Medicine, currently chief resident in internal medicine at the University of Arizona's South Campus. And for this past year, of course, as we said, you've been working as chief resident. So for some of our viewers who may not be aware of the role of a chief resident, can you explain that a little bit?
It has the combination of the academic portion, so you're still you're kind of in charge of the education for the residents. Now you've graduated, you're board certified, you're a clinician now, you're a full-fledged physician, not a baby doctor anymore, so you get to be in charge of the education for them. But at the same time, you have an administrative role. So now you're kind of in charge of resident issues, complaints, kind of that intermediary between the faculty members and the residents. So it's a different kind of layer of duties for you. And then the great part is that you're still involved in academics. So anything that has to do with resident education, you still kind of stay in tune with.
Let's go back to the beginning. What was it that originally led you into medicine? What drew you? What made you decide to become a physician?
My mother, when I was about 11 or 12, she got diagnosed with breast cancer, unfortunately. It was a long uphill battle, constantly going to the physicians, inpatient, outpatient, getting chemotherapy, radiation. And she went through it, survived. Unfortunately, came back a second time when I was about 14. She had some complications when I was in college, but she made it through. And you'd never, just by looking at her, you never know that she went through all that, during that decade of her life. But going into all those offices, kind of seeing the interaction that she had with all those physicians, it sparked me, just the impact that one person can make in a person's life.
What does Ross mean to you?
In one word, opportunity. This was something that other programs wouldn't have given me, just based on my age or, based on level of maturity or whatever when I was applying, and Ross, without thinking, without hesitation, they accepted me. They were kind of able to look past all that. And at the end of the day, they gave me the opportunity to pursue my dream. So without them, I wouldn't be here. So I'm forever grateful for this opportunity. And that's why I kind of work as hard as I do every single day, because I know I'm lucky, I'm fortunate. There's countless people that would have dreamed of having this opportunity to go to medical school and to get into a residency. And had it not been for us, I wouldn't be here. So at the end of the day, I think about that every single day, and I'm grateful for it. So that's why I never stop.
Thanks to everyone for checking in this evening. Have a great night.